Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're showing you a 400 series Norden tube filler today. We're powered up right now on 208 three-phase voltage, which is the running operating voltage. The chiller is not so great. It's got a low freon charge, so it keeps faulting out, but we've got enough chill in it to make a short run for you with the chiller replaced. Better look in here. You see the fill nozzle, orienter, Versaleister heater. It's a hot air system with the cutter. The machine's in excellent condition. See, very clean interior. Very easy accessible. See the piston operating right there. Has the original controls, which are in super clean condition. These are rated to run about 40 tubes per minute. The full details are on our website. We do hope you'll visit us at champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.